right, today's workout is going to be the quarterfinals workout from this 2024 age group and individual competition here for the CrossFit Games. It is going to be the workout number 3, and I know a lot of you are anxiously awaiting this one, and giving it a go is what you were hoping for. So here we are. These are going to be 3 different couplets, and each couplet will be supported by a few different rounds. The workout starts off with 3 rounds of 10 kipping handstand push-ups, followed by 20 toes to bar. If we're going to be scaling this today, we're going to go ahead and scale those kipping handstand push-ups with actual push-ups, From here, firm hands into the ground. We're going to come down, touch the chest, come back up. We actually aren't going to be spending a huge amount of time here, so the push-ups are going to probably be closely matched with the kipping handstand push-up in timing, okay? The handstand push-up is just meant to be an interruption. It's not meant to be the whole workout. So if that is you, go ahead and try to scale appropriately for this. Now, once we finish those handstand push-ups, kipping, we're going to go to 20 toes to bar. These toes to bar are going to be toes touching the bar like normal standard. If you're still working on them, we're going to go as high as possible. And then if we're scaling even further, it'll be a hanging knee tuck, getting those knees up past your belly button. Once you finish 3 rounds of that, we move directly to the next couplet. The next couplet is going to be 2 rounds. We're going to go ahead and start off with 10 strict handstand push-ups, followed by 5 rope climbs. Now, if we're going to be scaling those strict handstand push-ups, we are going to go ahead and grab our barbell. We're going to sit down on the ground with our legs stretched on out. And from here, we're going to go ahead and do some strict presses. We're going to do 10 strict presses with an empty barbell, 35 pounds for the men and 45 pounds for the men and 35 pounds for the women. We'll go ahead and do 10 of those before we move to the rope, where we're going to complete 5 rope climbs. We're going to do 5 rope climbs. You can do 5 rope climbs as high as possible. And if we're scaling even further, that'll be a rock climber, modified rock climber. Every rock climber will do 3 reps of the rock climber will equal 1 rope climb. So you need to do 15 rock climbers to equal the 5 rope climbs. And then we'll go back to the top where we do another set of 10 strict handstand push-ups and then another set of 5 rope climbs. As soon as you finish that couplet twice, we move to the last couplet. And then this last couplet, we're going to go ahead and complete 10 wall-facing handstand push-ups into 20 ring muscle-ups. If we don't have wall-facing handstand push-ups, the scale today will be 3 wall walks, all right? Full wall walks from the ground all the way up. And then when we get to those ring muscle-ups, if you have time and we need to scale them, we're going to go to a strict pull-up. So that's going to be that pulling aspect of the movement that we're going to focus on, and it'll be 20 strict pull-ups. This workout has a very tight timeline. It's going to be 15 minutes. So your goal here is to challenge yourself and see how far you can go. Scale accordingly so that you can actually be challenged but not stopped in your tracks in this workout.